Hi, it's Evans again. This is a week after I had told you that the market will break out to a massive boomer. The current price is $44,000 or 4 million Kenya shillings. One Bitcoin is 4 million Kenya shillings. The last time I was talking about Bitcoin, its price was 32,000. In fact, it was $33,200 or 3 million. You can imagine within just 1 week it has increased by 1 million Kenya shillings. You know, uh, last time I had identified an opportunity to buy Bitcoin, and had predicted that once it breaks this region, it will go in this structure, then it will go up. And in fact, as you can watch the other video, you see definitely it broke on the upside and then came to retest. Then if you are adding more bitcoins, you could have purchased more here and you will be in the big move. Also, I predicted that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, was going to purchase Bitcoin, most probably, and that's what has been happening. Actually, today, like in 1 hour's time, this was the breaking news. Tesla announced in an SEC filing Monday that it has bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Now, companies are purchasing Bitcoins. They're trying to hedge against the dollar. They're trying to protect their equity and their assets. And so they're trying to avoid inflation in the dollar. And they are adding Bitcoin on their equity portfolios. And this has been a massive news for this big move. Since here, this region, actually, this has been a massive move. And sorry to say, the best time to buy Bitcoin was here. And in fact, if you could have all these retest, now you'll have been in a profit. But it's okay. They say that the best time to plant a tree was yesterday, but now you can still plant now. And the best time also to plant a tree is today. You can buy Bitcoins just to buy a portion and then wait for the end of 2021. My next level that I think Bitcoin can reach is $50,000. Then comes to 65,000. This region, $65,000 or 6 million. So in case you buy Bitcoin in this region and it reaches this region, you'll have obtained like how much percentage increase? You'll have obtained 50% increase on your purchase of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like a store of assets. It's like a store of value, like the way gold works. This is like the digital gold. They're trying to hedge against inflation, and uh, people are shifting to Bitcoin to try to avoid the deflation of their savings, and that's a good opportunity for someone to invest in even a probable increase in value of the asset of Bitcoin. So this is my next level of anticipation, and if someone can buy now Bitcoin and wait for 10,000, I believe that by the end of 2021 the price can go even further from this region, $100,000 or 10 million. It can 10 million Kenya shillings. It can reach that level. And if you buy now and wait by the end of the year, don't worry about the market inflation, market volatility. But if you can buy Bitcoin now and wait for this region, wait for $100,000 or 10 million, you will obtain 150% of your savings. Let's say, for instance, let's say someone invests 100,000 or $100,000, and then at the current price of 44,541, let's see, BTC to USD. This is the exchange rate now, right? So if you have $1,000, you get 0.023 bitcoins, and you wait by the end of you wait until it reaches this region, $100,000. You will find that you'll be going to get how much? Your $1,000 will be multiple times, and you get $2,300. That will be a return. Now, if you'll be going to wait until this target of 220,000 level, 220,000 level, which I believe by the beginning of 2022, it will have reached $220,000. $220,000. Your 100,000 will reach 500,000. Imagine, in just 1 year. You know, this time of coronavirus, the state of all nations in the world is that there's just inflation, and even the banks are trying to reduce interest rates so that people can have what we call a stimulus economy. Like in the US right now, people are given stimulus check. They're just given money. Money is being printed. It's being printed more so that people can survive, and they're trying to curb the inflation. So that, on the other hand, reduces the purchasing power. It reduces the ability to, for example, if you are buying unga at 10 bob, and for now it can reach like 15 bob, because more money is being printed. That's what I mean by stimulus check. So to try and protect your savings, you can invest in Bitcoin and purchase a small amount of Bitcoin, and you get more returns. I'm not going to say my Bitcoin until 2025, where I believe that Bitcoin will reach $1 million or 100,000 Kenya shillings. It may appear like it's a walk in the park, but it calls about patience. Unaamua tu hiyo pesa, you're going to risk, and always risk what you can afford to lose. But anyway, even if Bitcoin goes to zero, it's impossible for Bitcoin to go to zero. You can't lose your Bitcoin, as in once it also climbs up, you also gain your Bitcoin. That's all about today. Thanks.